Looking to jailbreak your Fire TV stick? First things first, download one program, downloader. As you can type in the search function, DO, and it pops up super quick. Click on downloader and it'll ask you to download it. Prior to opening this, go back to the home screen and we will need to enable one option. Click on the cogwheel here and go over to My Fire TV. Under My Fire TV, you may or may not have this listed developer options. If you don't, click on the About and click on Fire TV Stick with the select button 7 times. As you can tell, it popped up in the bottom here. No need, you're already a developer. I am. If you're not, do that and it'll automatically pop it up. You'll become a developer. Turn on ATP debugging. Go down to Installed Unknown Apps. And as you can see, I have downloader, and now we can turn it on. Once you've done that, you're able to go back to find the downloader icon. Now most likely it's way at the end here in the 4 squares. You can click on it, and when it's over here, click on the hamburger button on your remote, and you can move it right to the front. So we click back home, and there we go, have our download app at the front. I do recommend using downloader to have a VPN. So download IPVanish, use the link below to get I think it's 60% discount. As you can tell, I'm not connected. I'd like to be connected. We can connect ourselves into the States. We can go home, back to the downloader button, back to the downloader app, and it's going to come up to access photos, media, and files, and we can just say yep and click OK. And once we're in here, we can download, or we can go to my personal app store, 546835, or you can type in ledbytheunknown.com. We can go here, and after that little 5-second blip, click on the 3 lines again, go to add to current page. So we're here. So once we're in here, we can go across. This is my own web page, ledbytheunknown.com. Click it down, the little pull down menu, and find downloads. Under downloads, you can find the apps that you would like to download. Like for instance, we can click on like Zumo TV, which is an app available anywhere pretty much in the world. It's free to download. Get out your phone, take a picture of the QR code to get the discount for IPVanish. And now we have for Android device or Amazon device. Click on Amazon device. It's going to ask us to install down on the bottom right. Say yes, install. And once that's installed, click done. And then we can delete the APK file because we no longer need it. And as you can tell down at the bottom, it says Zumo TV is ready to open. So we can go back to the home screen and find Zumo. Let's go back to the 3 squares to your apps and games, and there's Zumo. If you want, you can force it to go to move to front, and you can click on it and open it, and away you go, guys. As easy as that. Okay, take it easy. I'm Lee, your new trusted, your old trusted, your trusted TV geek, tech geek. Your trusted tech geek. I don't know how to figure that one out yet, but take it easy.